Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you exactly why Monday.com might be lagging in 2026 and how you can fix it step by step. If your boards are loading slowly, pulses are not opening properly, or everything feels delayed, don't worry, this is a common issue and usually very easy to fix. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to make Monday.com run smoothly again. One of the most common reasons for lag on Monday.com is browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores a lot of temporary data, and this can start conflicting with how the platform loads. The first thing you should do is clear your cache and cookies, then restart your browser completely. This simple step often fixes slow loading and glitch issues instantly. Another major cause of lag is browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools can block important scripts that Monday.com needs to function properly. Try disabling your extensions and then reload the page. If the lag disappears, you'll know one of those extensions was causing the problem. Your internet connection also plays a big role. If you're on a slow or unstable network, Monday.com may struggle to load boards and updates in real time. Try switching to a different network, like a mobile hotspot, and see if performance improves. This helps you confirm whether the issue is network-related. Sometimes the issue is caused by VPNs or proxies. These can slow down your connection or block certain requests, leading to lag or loading errors. Turning off your VPN and refreshing the page can often solve the problem immediately. Another quick fix is to log out and log back in. This refreshes your session and can fix temporary account glitches that may be causing slow performance. It's a simple step, but surprisingly effective in many cases. You should also make sure you're using a supported and updated browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Older browsers or outdated versions can cause performance issues and lag. Opening Monday.com in incognito mode is also a great test, because it disables extensions and starts a clean session. Finally, there's always a chance the issue is not on your side. If Monday.com is experiencing a server issue or partial outage, the platform may feel slow or unresponsive. In that case, checking their status page is the best way to confirm if the problem is global. Most Monday.com lag issues are caused by browser problems, extensions, or network issues, not the platform itself. If you follow these steps, clear cache, disable extensions, switch networks, and test in incognito, you'll fix the problem in most cases within minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.